Have you ever wondered why one of the world's biggest OpenAI companies wants college students to run workshops and teach other students? OpenAI just started the something called the Student Collective. They pick undergraduate students to become campus leads, working in pairs, and they are going to get a lot. ChatGPT subscription, Codex credits, money to run events, training, and finally a cash stipend. Even a chance to visit headquarters of OpenAI. Now at first, this looks like just another campus ambassador program, but look at little deeper and there is a much bigger plan behind it. So in this video, let's figure it out why OpenAI is doing this, what they get, what you get, and whether it's really applying worth or not. Let's get started. Okay, so the idea is actually simple. Instead of OpenAI trying to reach every college itself, they pick a few students from each campus. And a small detail most people miss, the leads work in pairs, two of you together, not alone. These leads run four things: workshops, where students learn a new AI skills, studio hours, a weekly session where everyone builds together, showcases where students show off what they made, and a community to stay connected. See what's happening here. OpenAI is not teaching thousands of students itself, it's helping students teach and support each other. That's the whole trick. Now, here is the interesting question: why students? Why not just target experienced software engineers? Today's students are tomorrow's engineers, founders, researchers, program managers, product managers, teachers, and business leaders, right? So, if you start using ChatGPT, Codex, and API now in college, there is a good chance you will keep using them later in your internship, your job, your startup, your research. So, OpenAI is not investing in you for 1 year. They are investing in the next generation of AI builders. I hope you understand the plan of OpenAI. Now, some people ask, if OpenAI just wants more users, why not simply run ads? Because an online ad, you scroll right past it. But a senior who has actually built projects with AI, you will ask questions, you'll join in, you will actually keep going. You trust a classmate for more than a promo. Peer learning beats marketing. And one lead inspires hundreds of students in a campus. That's the bigger than any ad campaign. That's the point most people miss. Next question. People ask, why give away free subscription, credits, and even cash? Think about it simply. To teach others and run AI events, you need the latest tools yourself. Free tools and funding just remove the barriers. So instead of worrying about subscription cost or even budget, you just focus on learning, building, and help others. And OpenAI wins too. They get real feedback on how students actually use AI, which helps them build better products. So both sides win. Let me put it in a simple table: what you give and what you get. You give about 4 to 6 hours a week, your energy, running events on campus. What you get: ChatGPT and Codex credits, event funding, training from the OpenAI team, a cash stipend each semester, a global network of leads, and a shot at visiting headquarters in June 2027. See, it's not a small trade. You give time, you get tools, money, and a network. Now, let's talk about the part most people overlook. Most students excited about the free ChatGPT and credits. Honestly, that is a small price. The big prize is experience. You run workshops, you manage events, build community, you sharpen your leadership skills, you meet AI people from other colleges, you build real projects, and at the end, real proof of leadership and AI work for your resume, your portfolio, and most important, your placements. The stipend is nice, but the skills and the network last much longer. So don't miss it. Quick check: can you even apply? Here is the list. You should be 18 or older. You are an undergraduate graduating after December 2027. You study in the US, Canada, UK, France, Germany, India, Japan, or South Korea. You can commit 4 to 6 hours the week from August 2026 to June 2027, and you are not already an ambassador for another AI program. Studying somewhere else, you can still apply to register your interest. They will let you know when it opens in your country. So, Who should apply? So, who is this really for? Honestly, it's not for everyone. If you are applying only for a free ChatGPT subscription, you will lose interest in a few weeks, leave it. But if you genuinely enjoy AI, you like helping other students, you enjoy organizing things, and you want to build something real on your campus, then this is a great fit. Remember, this program is for students who want to create an AI community, not just attend one. Okay, if you are really applying for it, listen this part carefully. I'll show you the application form. These are the three fields which no one talks about. So I'm just covering in the slides. The application has 60 seconds video you have to submit, and this is the place most people win or lose. First, the basics. Keep each under 60 seconds. Upload to YouTube unlisted or upload your video to the drive, anyone with the link, and test the link in a private window before you submit. If they cannot open it, they cannot review it. Question number 1, ask for the one way you use AI that more students should know. Pick one concrete workflow and screen record it. For example, I turn a messy lecture PDFs into a practice quiz. Here is my exact prompt. Show something in action. Question number 2, what you helped make happen on campus. Tell one small true story, what you did, your role, and the result. For example, I ran a 30% A workshop. Here is the sign up sheet and what they built. And remember, talk to camera. Energy matters more than editing. Next, the first written answer, the most important problem facing in young people, and how would you make progress. Remember, they are testing how you think, not for a perfect answer. Pick one real problem you actually care about. Use a simple structure, the problem, why it matters, and one concrete step you would take. End to action, not a complaint. Here is an example under the 500 character limit, but write your own in your own words. Many students use AI but never learn to think with it. They just copy answers. I would run small hands-on session where students solve real problems with AI and explain their reasoning out loud, so the tool builds skills instead of replacing it. This is the last written answer, something you have changed your mind about recently. Pick something real and specific. Small is fine, it just has to be true. Structure it simply, what you believed, what changed it, and what you think no. Example again, make it yours. I used to think AI would make learning lazy. Then I watched a classmate use it to finally understand calculus. I changed my mind. I used well. Now I focus on teaching people to ask better questions. So overall, I see this is a genuine win to win. OpenAI grows its education ecosystem, and you gain real experience, leadership, top AI tools, and global network. Whether you apply or just watch, it's a nice look at how AI education is changing. If your college is eligible and this sounds like you, go take a look and apply, and tell me in the comments, did you apply or not. Now let's look into the actual application. Guys, this is the official website, OpenAI Student Collective. The last day to apply is August and 2026. Don't miss it. I already spoke about all this, what you will receive, everything. This is a qualification. You are committed to 4 to 6 hours per week participation from August 2026 to June 2027. You should be graduate after December 2027. These are the countries they are allowing you to participate. These are the frequently asked questions. I already discussed everything. Here, you just enter your first name and last name based on your government proof, email address, how old are you, your country, what is your university. You should be undergraduate to eligible for this program. So when you are completing your current education, so what is your study, computer science, engineering, or whatever it is specific, you just mention it. Please specify your major course, BTech, BE, or whatever it is. Are you ready to commit this program? Yes or no? Yes. Are you currently participating in any of the other program? No. Which OpenAI tools do you currently use? Mostly you might be using ChatGPT Codex also. Suppose if you are using Gemini models, then mention it other open tools as well. So I already discussed about these important video formats in our slides. Please watch one more time if you don't understand. These two are mandatory. You have to add your YouTube link or just add your video in a Google Drive, give that link here. These two questions are optional, but I would want you to submit these as well if you really expecting response from them, because students usually leave which are optional, but you just enter this information also. Make sure you should add your LinkedIn profile. Don't miss this. If you have any other social profiles, you just add it. Suppose if you are applying with your friend, then add their email address also. Have you ever previously participated here? You just, if you participated, just select that program. How did you hear about it? LinkedIn, Instagram. Basically here there is no YouTube. Suppose if you are watching my video and you got to know, just subscribe to our channel Architect Edge and give a like. All right, anything else you want to share with OpenAI team? If you want, you can add. That's it. Click on submit. You must be receiving one confirmation email. Guys, don't miss this opportunity. This is not another hackathon. This is a different one than hackathons. This will show your leadership skills, and more important, you are going to improve your communication skills and networking. If you really like my efforts, smash that like button. That gives more motivation to create videos like this. Thanks for watching. All the very best. See you in the next video.